guys, I got Jeffy. Hi, my name is Jeffy. See this out on my shirt. Jeffy, even though it's backwards. So I got the new Jeffy puppet, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I got to this new house. I'm kind of working on my Jeffy impression. Yep, which means Jeffy. Yep. Okay, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.